There's a relay. You have a main screen where you can turn on the batteries that we've been talking about. You have your thruster levels. Wow. Underwater. That's a steep angle. Right up close to the stern, right? Oh, look at that piece just fall right on.
Yeah, that big piece just came off. Can I zoom back in for you for that?
Yes.
Pictures of
It's a porthole?
yeah, just have a porthole. You want to get a picture of our porthole.